Okay, the toughest question up front. Who are you and where are you from?
I'm a cryptologic technician, technical, second class, Evan Vise, and I'm from Queensbury, New York.
And can you spell your name for me?
Evanvise.
And how does it feel to be here for the 75th anniversary of D-Day?
It's humbling, exciting to be over here and be in France, but also humbling to walk in the footsteps of those who have gone before us, and to be able to pay our respects to those who made the ultimate sacrifice. Yeah.
So do you have any family history or ties to World War II or D-Day?
Yeah, I was actually just talking to my mom and dad about it. I have a grandfather, a great-grandfather on both sides of the family. One that was on my father's side. He served. He was in the Army, and he was in the Battle of the Bulge and served in the Ardennes Forest. And then my great-grandfather on my mom's side was a medic, and he was in France and Belgium.
Wow. So how does it make you feel to be here?
It's
In their footsteps, so to speak.
It's eerie, but yeah, humbling, and it's a lot.
So what are you looking forward to the most about being here?
Checking out the beach, and seeing where D-Day took place. Going downtown, maybe get some cuisine. Definitely going to the museums, and learning a little bit more about what took place here.
Do you have anything you'd like to say to people back home?
Yep. Mom, Dad, Jeff, Amy, love you guys. Kylie, Eileen, I love you love you both very much. And Eileen, I'll see you soon.
Anything you'd like to add?
No.
All right. Thank you, sir.